people approach you as if you are the dominant, if you're in a group of men, do you feel like the dominant man? No, I expect they could do. When I was talking to Allie about this, I said, oh, like Telly Savalas. She said, who? Allie said, who? Okay. What is that? Zach Colombian. Dominating as we speak. He's coming out of the show. He's not lying. We send you in first, because you're the dominant. Tell about that first. Yes. What about dominating competition last night? How did it go down? Last night really was head to head with Andy Cole. Let's see that.